All right. Hey, what's up, guys? So I want to buy a share of AMD, and this is going to be helpful for everyone, like new guys, guys who've been trading for a little while and don't know about this feature or don't have this feature. So what we're going to do right here is I want to buy a share of AMD. Where's my mouse? God damn it. Why does it keep doing this? There it is. So I want to buy a share of AMD. Okay. But it started the day at 40. Yeah, close to 40. But anyway, it looks like it's in a downtrend. It's not important. Like the price isn't important. But so we want to buy a share. So what we're going to do is instead of just clicking buy, which is like sort of like buy it now on eBay, if you're really not familiar, which hopefully the people watching this don't know what they're doing yet. So if you just hit market price right here and you click however many shares you want to buy, it's just going to get the fill it automatically, which will be this price or maybe even a little higher, just to make sure that it fills. Or we can select a limit order. So a limit order, you tell them how much you want to pay. So it's like putting a bid in on eBay. Say you only want to pay $39. You put in $39 right here and one share, and then you tell it, is it good for just today? Is it good until you cancel it? Whatever you want to do. And then they'll tell you it's going to cost you $39 right here. But that's not what we want to do. What we want to do is use what's called a trailing stop. So a trailing stop, what it does is you set a percentage or a dollar amount above or below the price of where it is now. So it's $39.18. All right, so in order to get the best price, since we want to own this share, what we want to do is we set a trailing stop and we're buying, and we can set it for an amount or a percentage. We'll just leave it at a percentage. And we're just gonna, since we actually want to start, we're just gonna leave it super simple, 1%, and one share, good till canceled. Now what this does is it looks at the price and it follows the price. So if AMD continues to go downward, our bid price for it will continue to go downward. So our bid follows the actual price. And then if it rebounds 1% from the lowest price that it was, it'll snatch us up a share. But if AMD gets down to 29, then that's where we'll buy it. And we can just set it and forget it and let the Robinhood do it for us, basically. Or we can set it to a dime. Let's say if it jumps up another dime or whatever it is. Right now, if it jumped to 39.54, it would it would trigger our buy. But right now it's just going to follow it all the way down. I feel like AMD's in a downtrend from the recent rally. So we're gonna put in a buy order for it to follow it all the way down. And I honestly feel like we should buy a put on it too. Look, we're gonna go ahead and buy that. Okay, that's done. Let's look at the options and see how bad we'd get wrecked if we bought a put for AMD. Let's say we think AMD is gonna get down to 39 by Friday at end of business Friday. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I tell you what. I'll get into this later, but this is not a good bet, by the way. Buying short-term options like that. You know what? We're gonna leave that alone. We'll save it for another video.